1. 1984 Ford F-150 XLT, $4,300, Oxnard, California. A well-preserved long-bed pickup with a 351 Bobby V8 engine and automatic transmission. Rust-free with 84,000 miles and factory AC. Runs and drives but is listed as non-op at the DMV. 2. 1979 Ford F250 Camper Special, $5,500, Clayton, Washington. Equipped with a 400 V8 and 4-speed manual, this well-maintained truck has 112,120 miles. Features dual fuel tanks, power brakes, and a solid bed. Minor rust above the rear wheels, but overall structurally sound. Three 1969 Chevrolet C10 short bed, $9,800, Denver, Colorado. An original short bed C10 with a straight 6 engine and 3-speed manual. Shows typical rocker panel rust, but has a solid frame. A family-owned survivor with newer tires and a clean title. 4. 1973 International Scout II, $16,600, Windsor, Colorado. A rugged 4x4 with a 345 V8 automatic transmission and 100,200 miles. Recently tuned with a new carburetor, plugs, wires, battery, and power steering pump. Runs well with some body filler in the rear fenders. 5. 1977 Ford F600, $4,500, Quilcene, Washington. A heavy-duty truck with only 5,389 miles. Previously used at a mill, it needs a radiator replacement but has a clean title, ideal for restoration or repurposing. 6. 1971 Ford F100 long bed, $2,500, San Bernardino, California. A non-running sport custom model with factory AC. V8 engine turns over but lacks spark. Solid body but missing the title. 7. 1973 Ford F350, 1500, Yamhill, Oregon. Project truck with a 352 FE V8 and 4-speed manual. Last ran strong but has been sitting. Includes a clean title and optional axle upgrades for $600. 8. 8. 1978 Dodge Ram $3,500, Fairfield, California. A 1-ton truck with a 360 V8, automatic transmission, and 84,000 miles. Features a diamond-plated flatbed and dual rear wheels. Needs a tune-up but has potential. Nine. 1982 Dodge Ram D150 Prospector, $8,500, Arizona. Rare short bed model with a slant 6, automatic transmission, power steering brakes, and AC. Straight body, good paint, rust-free, and well-maintained. Ten. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado C10, $8,500, Worthington, Minnesota. Square body classic with a 305 V8, 117,000 miles, and recent mechanical updates. Features weld racing wheels, new tires, and a fresh interior. $11. 1989 Chevrolet K1500 4x4 for $200, Springfield, Oregon. Reliable 4x4 with a 4.3-liter fuel-injected V6 and 4-speed manual. Rust-free, runs daily, and offers great value as a budget classic. $12. 1986 Ford F-150 2500 Tijeras, New Mexico. Regular cab, long bed model with a 5.0-liter V8 and automatic transmission. Runs rough due to blow-by, but has a clean, rust-free body. $13. 1989 Ford F350 Crew Cab Dump Truck. $3,500, Gardner, Colorado. Heavy-duty truck with 16,893 miles, hydraulic dump bed, and aftermarket overdrive. Some missing parts, but still a valuable work truck. $14. 1989 Dodge Ram D350, $2,600, Arcadia, California. Rear-wheel drive pickup with a V8, automatic transmission, power steering, windows, and a bed liner. Runs and drives but has a lien title. $15. 1988 Jeep Comanche 4x4, $900, Crozet, Virginia. Budget-friendly off-roader with a straight-six and automatic transmission. Runs well but needs work to be roadworthy.